Hey all, this is Doug at ID Services, and what we have here is a CIM M10HE metal tag embosser. What we're going to do today is just cover the basics of it, how to put tags in it, how to use the X and Y axis, that's the line spacing and the character spacing, and how to select and emboss characters. All right, first thing we want to do, and looking at my machine, I get the handle down. We'll pull the handle out and lift it up and latch it in place so it's up. Okay, for now we want to put a dog tag in the machine. What we'll do is we'll start by lifting up on this lever, and you'll notice in here, and you're not going to see it on the video, but it's just a little tiny ledge, and the tag fits right on that ledge. You put it to ledge, and I like to put the corner of the tag right with the corner of the clamp on the left-hand side here. Then you push this lever down, and it's latched in place. And we're good. Second off, you'll notice that the carriage is not over to the right, and you just can't push on it. You don't want to push it. You'll break the gears. There's a knob on the left-hand side here, and it's a one-way turn. It will only turn one way, and you notice get it all the way to the end, and you just can't turn the other way. The way you release it is by grabbing this knob on the right and pulling it out, and now you can spin the left-hand gear in a counterclockwise manner to get the carriage back. Once you get it where you want, snap that back in place, and there is a spacing bar right here. I probably can't see it again, but it is numbered, and you just want to dial it in to get to the very first position. All right, so we have our X motion done. That is using the dial on the left and the release knob on the right. Now we want to go ahead and move the carriage in all the way. With dog tags, you want to make sure that the tag goes to the, if you're embossing, goes on top of this shield. If you're debossing, characters are getting pushed down, you want to go underneath this shield. Basically, there's a ramp on the shield, so you want it to hit that ramp and go to the correct side. On my tag, I'm actually having to go to line 7 in order to do the first line on a dog tag. What I'll do is I'll dial in the character. Just grab this handle here, dial in the character, grab the lever, pull it all the way forward, and then push it to the back. The pulling it forward action embosses the character. The pushing it back does the spacing. You have to push it all the way to the back, otherwise it will not space. You'll have letters embossing on top of each other. So you go ahead and dial in every character you need. Go to your next line, release that lever, go back to 1, and then dial in the rest of the characters. As you can tell, I'm just doing random characters. And that's all it is. Be careful when turning these knobs. They will break. They're very flimsy. And when they do, you'll be paying somebody like me a lot of money, and I do appreciate it, thank you much. But you'll be paying a lot of money to get these fixed. So just take it really easy with these knobs. Just gentle, slow turns on everything. Don't force anything. Again, this is Doug, ID Services. This is an M10 metal plate embosser.